Heading abroad soon? Before you pack your dreams, let's pack your bags the smart way. This is your ultimate pre-departure checklist, designed for Nepali students like you heading to the USA, Australia, Canada, UK, or Europe. Let's start with the biggest mistake: overpacking. Your airline gives you just 23 to 30 kilograms. Every gram counts. But don't worry, we've broken it down for each destination. No matter where you're going, these are non-negotiables: passport, visa, and admission letters, original plus scanned certificates, email copies to yourself, laptop plus universal adapter, 7-10 days of clothes, light waterproof jacket, 1 set of traditional wear. Yes, you'll thank me later during events. Packing for Canada? Winters are brutal. Bring thermal layers, not bulky sweaters. Going to Australia? It's summer in December. Think sunscreen, not scarves. Headed to the UK? Rain, always. Pack an umbrella and quick dry shoes. Europe bound? Style matters. Minimal but versatile outfits. USA? Varies state to state. Check your city's climate. Don't fold. Roll your clothes. Use packing cubes or vacuum bags. Leave 5-6 kilograms free space. You'll buy a lot once you land. Don't pack. Heels, full-size shampoo, 10 pairs of jeans. Things that are expensive abroad but cheap here. Spices in labeled zip bags. Prescription medicines with doctor's note. Basic utensils like 1 plate plus spoon. Cultural mementos. They fight homesickness like magic. Don't forget your digital backpack. Save soft copies of all docs on cloud download, offline maps, and university orientation schedules. Bring printed passport photos. Yes, even in 2025. Save emergency numbers in your phone and a hard copy. MOBEECO's app has a built-in pre-departure checklist, verified consultancy help, and live support, all in your pocket. Plus, if you're already accepted, check out our MOBEECO reward section to claim your cashback and start referring friends as a superhero. Whether you're packing for Sydney or Scotland, remember, lighter bags equals lighter mind. If this guide helped, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and comment below. What's one thing you can't leave behind? Don't forget to download MOBEECO, your one-stop app for smarter study abroad journeys.